Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Am I audible to all of you? Good. I can see Mishita, good morning. Jia, good morning. Dhruvansh, Vedant, very good morning. Kanak, very cold Kanak. Yes. And who else? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who else is missing? Mayank, come on screen. And where is our Najaha? Oh, Naja is not joined yet, but perfect. So, yes, Dhruvansh. So, is everyone able to hear me? Can someone speak to? I can check my audio.
Yes, sir.
I can hear. Yes. Thank you, Mishita. Thank you, Jia. Everyone. Good. So let's continue geometry. But before that, let's see how many doubts you have in geometry sections. What we have done in last few weeks. Okay. So let me open the document. 1 second, please, and then we are going to be ready with your doubts. First 10 minutes, we are going to specially discussing only the doubts. Mid school maths, where are you? Okay. Version 11. You know, every file has version. Version 11 is what the last I sent. Okay. Mishit, are you able to receive my? Okay. My mail is perfect. My WhatsApp messages. Good. So, share screen. How many of, tell me honestly, how many of you have tried all questions? How many have tried the homework at least something? Yes. Good. Very nice. Vedant also. Good. May I come on screen? Okay. So, tell me now, if I see this, which question I told Jia to do in the last homework from 100?
From
136.
136 onwards. So tell me, any doubt from question number 136 to 140 maybe? Simple, very simple. Yes, please.
I had a problem for 138. I didn't know how to do it.
Find the parameter. What is parameter means?
Like the
Concept of parameter. Any figure tomorrow if I give you decagon, if I give you octagon, what one concept apply parameter any figure, correct? You know why I give so many different figures, square, rhombus, rectangle, parallelogram? Because the only objective is for everyone, people understand perimeter is not about formula, it's about a concept. Perimeter means sum of length of all sides, right, Jia?
Mhm.
Any figure, doesn't matter which figure it is.
No.
Length of all the sides, perfect. What is the property of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal.
Mhm.
So if ABCD is a parallelogram, if AB is 6, which side is opposite to AB? If you draw ABCD parallelogram.
AD?
No. Draw ABCD, you'll know that. We always right cyclic, right? Draw, you'll know it. Quickly draw in your notebook, you'll know which side we're talking about. Guys, everybody should go to screen, please. I can see some people are going again. Come on screen, everyone. So, Jia, when you draw ABCD, AB is 6. Which is parallel to or which is opposite AB? Tell me. The name of the side, Jia. Name of the side in your diagram. You have drawn parallelogram ABCD, right?
Yeah.
So AB is one side. Which side is parallel to AB? Or which side is opposite to AB?
So it's AB. No, it's AB. So it would be CD.
It has to be CD, right? There's nothing else.
Yes.
Because whichever you draw. So CD is also parallel to AB and equal to AB. CD also will be 6.
Mhm.
As we said, in parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal, correct?
Yes.
So AB is 6, CD also 6. Now AD is 7. Which side is equal opposite to AD?
BC.
How much that will be?
7.
Can you find perimeter now? You know all the 4 sides.
Yes. So what I did was I did AB equals 6 plus 6, and then I did CD. So I did AD and then I did CD and I got 39 centimeters.
So that's it. We have to do all four sides, right? Two sides are
Yeah.
opposite which are equal. Perfect. So clear now, Jia?
Yes.
Okay. Any other doubt? Anyone from 136 to 140? No? 141 to 145? Anyone? Stop me if you have.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me.
Question
Dhruvansh.
146.
46. Find area of triangle whose height is 1.5 times of its base, which is 16 meter. What is the formula or what is the concept to find out area of a triangle, Dhruvansh? You are on mute.
Half length times B.
Half, not like half into base into height. Correct? What is the concept of base and height? Anywhere, if this is the base, this is the height. This is the base, this is the height. This is the base, this is the height, right? Dhruvan, unmute please when you're asking me a question.
Yes.
So Dhruvan, area of triangle is half into base into height. How much is the
Yes, sir.
base in the question?
The base is 16 meters.
How much will be height then?
1.5 of
1.5 of
16.
16. So you find out 1.5 of 16, which is 24. So area will be half into 24 into 16, right?
Okay, sir.
Confusion cleared?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Anybody, any confusion till 150 question?
I had confused on 142 where it said find area of parallelogram.
Area of parallelogram is base into height.
Base into height.
Base into height. I'll draw this on the whiteboard. So Jia, this will clarify this question as well as the previous one, how to draw the parallelogram. Okay. This for everyone. Okay, guys. So are you able to see whiteboard, Jia? Jia, are you able to see my whiteboard?
Yes.
Perfect. Because guys, I think you all of you are just muting yourself. Don't do it. I know it's a good habit. But when you're discussing, keep it unmute so that you don't have to do again. I'm seeing every one of you mute very fast. So parallelogram ABCD. If I draw like this, like this, like this, I can draw anyway, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Right, Jia?
Yes.
If I call this A and this B, ABCD, I told you also. So this has to be C, this has to be D. Agree?
Yes.
AB is 8, this is 8. This also will be 8, correct?
Mm-hmm.
No, they're not telling about AD and BC. Remember, what is the height of this parallelogram? From the ground, how much height is? Remember we discussed about this?
Yes.
This is the height of parallelogram. Or this is the height of parallelogram. Agree?
Yes.
Set distance between AB and CD. See, with AB and CD, this distance is 5. This is 5. I indirectly gave you height, right?
Yes.
See, distance between two parallel sides is the height. Because I am taking BC or DC is the base. So height is 5, base is 8. Area of parallelogram is base times height.
Right. Okay.
Base is AB or CD, both are same 8.
Yes.
Height is 5. 40 square centimeter.
Okay.
I intentionally gave not directly height, but as a distance between AB and CD because I want everyone to understand the concept of height again. Got everyone? Jia, good?
Mm-hmm.
This is the
Yes.
height. Why this is the height? Because this is the base I am taking, Jia.
Mm-hmm.
But tell me, Mishita, come on screen. Where is Mishita gone?
Hi.
Tell me, Mishita, if I take, this is the base, suppose. I can always take. If this is the base, this will be the height, right?
Yeah.
But I am not given in the question AD, so I cannot take as a base. So only base and height are perpendicular. Cool? Is everyone okay? Jia, Dhruvansh, Vedant, Kanak,
Yes, sir.
Mayank, where is Naja? Not there. Okay. Cool. Move on. Tell me any other doubt from 151 to 151. 151 is a very easy question, but still, how many of you done it right from 151 to 160? Type of triangle. How many you got all right? 151 to 160. Very good. So no confusion between 151 to 160. Vedant, Dhruvansh, good. And the last set
didn't-
is more. Yes, please.
I didn't check the answer sheet, but I think I got all of them right.
You can check after the class. And
Mhm.
if you confusion, you can still ask. 161 to 165, guys. Little difficult some questions. Did you face any problem, Kanak, on any of the question? Oh, okay. Kanak, I can share because I just got message from your father. Kanak has done very well in her school. So very many any congrats, Kanak. Superb. I'm very happy with your results. And guys, do share because I know a lot of students, parents or student themselves share the results of their school or their whatever test. So everyone congratulations Kanak. She has got excellent results in her school. It's this term is about to complete, right, Kanak, this week or next week, right? Yes. So congratulations, Kanak. Tell me now, Kanak, I'm not able to hear you. What? You're on mute.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So I'm saying well done. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Perfect. So guys, any doubt from 160 to 170? Last set. Some doubt definitely will be there because this is like kind of a little bit of ratios and all. Is everyone good here? Till now, all the 170 questions. Algebra first and now geometry. Is everyone good here? Shall we move ahead now? Pakka, chalo. Today we are going to be little different, which is also required for you in grade 8 and grade 9 also. We are going to learn today one special session only on coordinate geometry, and one session is much more than enough. Today we are going to do coordinate geometry. Some of you may know it, some of you very new to it, but very important. What is coordinate geometry, Kanak? Or
Where you use the coordinates
yes,
by the x-axis and the y-axis.
right. Suppose you have a plane of piece of paper, say A4 sheet. Is everyone know what is a plane in geometry? Like A4 sheet, you consider it as a plane. It's a 2D thing, right? It is a length and breadth. So let's take a plane. Let's say my whiteboard is a plane. Let's say my whiteboard is a plane. It's a length, it's at a height or width, right? Now, if I divide the whole plane into one with vertical line, one with a horizontal line, I divide my whole plane space or plane into 4 parts, right? These 4 parts are known as quadrants. These 4 parts are known as quadrants. This is quadrant 1.
The bottom would be no, that side would be.
And guys, it's very important. Yes, it is important to, you know what? Know the name correctly. Because I'm going to ask you a question. This is quadrant 2. It goes anti-clockwise. Quadrant 2.
Mhm.
This quadrant 3
Quadrant 3 and quadrant 4.
and quadrant 4. Your whole plane, understand, the plane is divided into 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? Generally, now it is not necessary that that is only rule. Generally, in most of the textbooks, you will see the horizontal axis we known as x-axis. Okay? The horizontal axis, we call them x-axis, but it's not a rule. You can always change it. So, this is x-axis. I'll call it x dash. The vertical one is called as y-axis. Generally, you can change also. So, the whole plane, I divide with one vertical, one horizontal line into 4 quadrants, quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4, anti-clockwise. The horizontal line is known as x-axis in general. The vertical line is known as y-axis. Now, how we decide plus, minus and all depends upon, say this is my origin. Origin where all coordinates are 0. Origin, okay? This is origin. So origin is this one, the center one, okay? The center one is origin. Now, it's just a convention, guys. If you go from origin toward x, right side, if you go from origin towards right side, we call it positive x. And if you go from origin to our left side, we call it negative x. Got it, everybody? If you're going from origin toward right side, we call it positive x-axis. If you go from origin to our left side, we call it negative x-axis. Positive x-axis, negative x-axis. Similarly, from origin, if you go up, you call it positive y. From origin, if you go down, it's called negative y. Clear all the four things? Positive x-axis, negative x-axis, positive y-axis, negative y-axis. Now, why I'm telling you so much about positive, negative? Because it's very important in coordinate geometry. Very important. So tell me, if I put a point, tell me, Jia, if I put a point A, somewhere like, say, let's say black point, I just want to tell me this point, okay, the black point, this point has x plus or negative, y plus or negative.
It's a plus because it's y.
It's the first coordinate, so it's going positive toward x-axis
Mhm.
and positive towards y-axis. So it will be both positive. Correct, everybody? So you can say it is plus and plus. You always write first the x coordinate and then the y coordinate. We'll talk about what is coordinate and all. So plus x is plus and y is plus. Agree?
Yes,
Tell
the
me,
y-axis always goes first.
Very nice. Dhruvansh, tell me, if I make another point, red point, somewhere here, I call it B. Which will be positive, which will be negative? Tell everyone.
Sir, it will be negative, positive. X will be negative and Y will be positive.
Correct? Because I am moving towards negative x, but moving towards up. So it is negative, positive. X is negative, y is positive. Perfect. Tell Mishita, if I put another point with, say, blue in quadrant 3, say point C, tell me positive, negative, this will be what?
Negative and negative.
Negative and negative. Why is negative and negative? Tell everyone.
Because from the origin you go left on the x-axis, and from the origin you go down on the y-axis.
Very nice. And tell me, Mayank, if I put another point with color pink, what will be its positive negatives? How you tell me point D?
Sir, positive and negative.
X is positive, Y is negative. Because Mayank?
Sir, because origin X is the right side and through origin Y is downward side.
Got it, everybody? Very nice. So it depends upon, are we going left, right, top or bottom? We can say is it plus, minus, minus, or plus, minus. 4 quadrants, point. You can always take a screenshot of this. So whenever I write a point and its coordinate, I always say x first. For example, if I write a point, say P here, if I writing it is -2, 1, tell Vedant everyone, when I say point P is -2, 1, what is x and what is y?
Sir, x is -2 and +1 is y.
Correct, because first you always write the x coordinate. So the point numbers here, these are the coordinates. Naja, welcome. Why you are late?
Sir, I'm not at home, so the internet took a long time to connect.
Okay, no problem. We just started coordinate geometry, is very important for you. Okay. So how we plot the points? What are the coordinate points? We say quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Just take a screenshot of this, Naja. So now we are going to learn how to draw this. It is just the very, very basics. Coordinate 1, 2, and I'm going to ask you a lot of questions, all of you. Okay, Naja? So pay attention, you will understand everything. The idea is, if you go positive to right, positive up, plus plus. Go left and up, negative plus. You go down and left, negative, negative. You go right and down. So suppose whole space is divided into 4 quadrants. Now, I'm going to erase again because I want to make it very clear. Will I clean it up, Mayank? Jia? Perfect. Now, let's write something. Points on x-axis. Okay, first of all, it's known as coordinate of points. Okay, coordinates or coordinates of point. That is how it's called. Okay, point on x-axis is known as abscissa. Whatever point you point on the x-axis, they are known as abscissa. Point on y-axis, ordinate. That is the names. Origin is 0 always. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to tell you first 5 minutes how to plot the points. Then I'm going to ask you a lot of questions very fast in a buzzer kind of thing. Everybody answer in 5 seconds. Okay. So first we're going to learn how to plot the points. Very simple, very interesting. Very simple, very interesting. Okay. So I'm going to erase it now. Let's say I'm making my coordinate axis here. So this and this. Just for your convenience, guys, I am saying this is my 1, 2, 3, 4. Just for your convenience. You can use graph paper from next class, like in your home. Okay, you can use graph papers. Everybody see the graph papers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Just draw like this. What I'm doing is, I have put the point. So this is my x. This is my y. So this will be my x dash. I want everyone to draw this because we're going to do a lot of question on this today. X dash, y dash. Then scaling. As of now, I am taking one box as 1 unit. So this is my 1. This is my 2. This is my 3. You can decide. It can be 10, 20, 30, 40 also. It can be 5, 10, 15, 20. Scaling is yours, right, Vedant? Correct? Scaling is always yours. You can decide how much. I am saying this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4. Negative 1. Just draw with any scaling, but draw some scaling, okay? Just draw like this, 4, 4 point at least. First you draw everybody, then we are going to learn how to plot the point, what is the meaning of the point, how to plot the line, everything. My coordinate, my plane is there. I divide into 4 quadrants, x-axis and y-axis. I put some scaling. Here I am saying 1 unit is 1 centimeter. On your graph paper, you can decide. Right, man? Now, I'll explain you 2 points, okay? And then all of you will explain me the remaining points. How to do. If I say, I am plotting, suppose, point P, let me write in a green or blue. Say point P is having 1, 3. So I know some of you will know, but remember how to do it. So tell me, Jia, when I say point P 1, 3, without plotting, just by sign, can we say which quadrant this point will come?
Quadrant 1.
Quadrant 1, because both are positive.
Yes.
So let's see how to do now. As we know, this is for x, right? And this is for y, guys. Idea is you start always from origin. Always. Let me use the blue color. How much is x? 1. So now look at the board. From origin, x is 1, go towards 1. Why right side? Because positive x, right? So we went here, right side 1. This 1 is done. Y is 3. From that point, you go 3 spaces up. 1, 2, 3. This is the final position of this point P. 1, comma. You don't have to put the line, just to, this is the point. This point P is 1, comma 3. 1 towards right. This is 2, 2. Let me give one more example and then you will tell me. Suppose I say point Q, which is minus 2, comma 4. Let's see how will I draw the point Q now. It says first is minus 2. So obviously this is x we know, this is y we know. Minus 2 will go to the left side of, let me use different color this time. Let me use orange color. X is minus 2, from origin again go minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. Then 4. We have to go 4 up because positive. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the position for point Q. Very easy or not? So now I'm going to ask one question to every one of you. You will tell me, sir, this quadrant, you go left, you will say left, right, top or bottom, okay? First we start with Kanak. Cool? So
Yes, sir.
Kanak will tell this point. I'm writing some points here. Kanak will tell me where will be Kanak's point, which is 4, comma, minus 1. Kanak, tell everyone how will you plot this point 4, comma, minus.
You go in quadrant 4,
So we start
So-
from this,
origin.
then
You go right,
right.
Right,
How much?
right. 4,
Then
and then you go down 1.
down. This is the Kanak point. Okay. Everybody agree? Thank you, Kanak. Next we'll go to Dhruvansh. Dhruvansh, your point I'm writing, just writing here because space problem. Dhruvan's point is minus 2, comma, minus 3. Dhruvan, explain to all of us how will you draw this point.
So it will be in the third quadrant, which is on the bottom left.
You have to explain
So
how.
first,
Yes.
first it's -2, which is the x coordinate.
Correct.
So we go 2 steps on the left.
Yes. And then
And then we go 3 steps down from -2.
steps down. This will be the Dhruvan's point. Correct. Perfect. Now tell me, Najha. Where is Najha's point, which is -4, comma 1. Wait. Let me put different colors so that it will be easy for all of us. Let me put it pink. Najha, how you draw your point?
Sir, first we will move to the left, the negative
How much?
4.
4. Then
Then we'll go down 1 step.
down or up? It's 1, not -1.
Up, sorry.
Up, up. This is Najha's point. Right, everybody? Najha's point. Perfect. Tell me, Jia, your point I'm writing here. Jia. And let me use some other color. I'm running short of colors now. Okay. This is Jia's color. 5, 1.
This would be quadrant 1, and it's not possible because there is no 5.
We'll put 5. You can put your own 5, no worries. So start from here
Okay.
again.
We start from the origin and then we go 5.
We'll go
Side
5, 6
that
somewhere
way.
here. You can always assume, okay?
And then 1.1 up.
Right?
Yes.
Just point. Perfect. Tell me, Mayank. This is Mayank's point.
Yes, sir.
Let me put Mayank in, say, black. And your point is negative 6, 3.
Sir, we go in quadrant 2.
We go in quadrant 2. So start from again here. You go negative 6, negative 6, negative 6 somewhere here.
Yes, sir.
Then,
And then, sir, up.
so this will
Sir, 3.
agree.
Yes, sir.
Then who is remaining? Mayank, Kanank, Vedant. Vedant, your point. Let me write it here. Vedant. Your point is, say, orange. Let's use your point, Vedant, and tell me. I will do 2, negative 5.
Okay, so first we have to go 2 to the right from the origin.
Yes.
And then from there you go down to quadrant 4
Somewhere
and
5.
create a negative 5.
And lastly, Mishita, right, Mishita?
Yeah.
And if I say Mishita point is on the top here, Mishita, MISHWPHA. Mishita, your point is brown. And if I say I want Mishita to go negative 6 and then comma negative 3. How will Mishita draw this?
So from the origin, it would be in quadrant 3.
Yes,
So from the origin, you go 6 steps to the left,
correct.
and then you go 3 steps down.
Perfect. Mishita. That's it. So guys, it's very easy. Any point you can draw or not. Okay. Now, are you ready to do the quiz? I'm going to ask 2 questions randomly to anyone. You have to only tell me 3. You have to tell me answer from this, okay? I not told you, but I'll tell you how it is. You have to imagine in your mind. Your answer can be answer one of them, okay? And you cannot change it. So think 5 seconds and tell me the answer. Everyone, okay? And you will tell on the audio, not on the chat. So first I'll write you all the options you have to give. It's a game of coordinates, okay? Everybody on the screen, please. So either you will say it's on positive x-axis, or you will say negative x-axis. Okay, let me first put it here. You will say either it's quadrant 1, or you will say quadrant 2, or you will say quadrant 3. It's a quadrant 4, or it will be positive x-axis, negative x-axis, or let me copy this. Or you'll say positive y-axis, or negative y-axis, or origin. You tell me answer only 1 out of this 9, nothing else. Tell me in Kannada, is any other position possible, or these are the only position available in any plane?
Only this is
Correct, guys?
possible.
There is nothing else possible. Why? Let me draw this plane. Okay, this is not for question, just to explain to everyone, because I didn't told you what is. Suppose if I say, oh, it is not origin, it is origin. So I'll just give you example, okay? Suppose if I say my point is 4, 0. So 4, 0 means what? 4, 0 means you start from here, you go 4, but then 0, nothing. So you stay here. So it's a positive x-axis, right? Or if my point is -3, 0, you just say I'll go -3 here. That's it. So it is a negative x-axis. If I say my point is 2, not 2, 0, -1. So you're not going to x-axis, you're only going to y, this. So this point is on negative y, correct? X is 0. So anytime your answer will always be from one of these 9, nothing else. Is everyone clear, or shall I explain one more example? Naja, Jiga, everyone? Cool. So I'm going to ask you randomly 2 questions, everyone. Okay, Mayank, come on screen? Yes. I'm not going to draw this. You have to tell me, but in 5 seconds, okay? Let me put this in blue. Tell me, Dhruvansh, quickly, where this point will lie. And guys, everybody will be on mute. Unmute, please. I don't want to waste time there. Unmute
Okay,
everyone.
so it's positive and negative, so it will be on the positive y-axis.
What is
It
the
will be on
answer?
the fourth quadrant. Fourth
It
quadrant.
will not be first quadrant. Jia, where will this be?
The fourth one.
You said first. It has to be fourth one. Correct, guys? Good. Guys, it's a rapid round,
Yes.
okay? Dhruvansh, fourth is right. So, guys, be ready. Everybody be unmute, please. Naja, Dhruvansh, Kanak, Mayank, unmute, please. Because I don't want you to waste time. Next question is for Mishita. Mishita, tell quickly.
Quadrant 1.
No. Kanak.
Oh,
No, one chance only. It's a game. Kanak.
Origin.
Where this point will be?
The
Next. 5 seconds, guys. Mayank. Guys, I always who win it. Mayank.
Sir,
Yes.
in quadrant 1.
Wrong. Naja.
Quadrant 4.
No. Vedant.
Sir, positive
Um,
x-axis.
Mayank. You will tell only when I ask you. It's a game, okay? Vedant.
positive x-axis.
Perfect. Okay, guys. So we'll restart the game. A lot of you are doing it wrong. Understood quadrants and positive, negative x-axis or not, guys? 5 seconds is less. You want 10 seconds? So let's start the game again, okay? Take your time. You will speak only once and just directly tell me, sir, this is the answer out of this time. We'll start with Mishita. Okay, Mishita?
yeah.
Mishita, where this point will lie?
Quadrant 2.
Perfect. Everybody note your score. You got 10 points, okay, Mishita? Naja, where this point will lie?
Quadrant 1.
Correct. Jia, where this point will lie?
Origin.
Correct. Guys, when you I say correct, give yourself 10 points. Kanak, where this point will lie?
positive y-axis.
Correct. Mayank, where this point will lie?
Yes, sir.
Your question, where this point will lie?
Sir, negative x-axis.
No, wrong.
Sir, negative y-axis.
So Mayank, you tell me one shot. It's a game, okay, Mayank?
Okay, sir.
Next, Dhruvansh, where this point will lie?
The first quadrant.
Correct. Vedant, where this point will lie?
Oh, sorry. So negative x-axis.
Negative. Correct. Mishita, where this point will lie?
Quadrant 1.
Correct. Kanak, where this point will lie?
Quadrant 3.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a quadrant 4, right? Naja, Where this point will lie?
Quadrant 1.
Quadrant 1, correct. Gia. Where this point will lie?
Quadrant 3.
Good, correct. Mayan.
Yes, sir.
Where this point will lie?
Sir, quadrant 4.
Correct. Mishita. Where this point will lie?
Positive x-axis.
Perfect. Dhruvansh. Where this point will lie? Sorry, wait. This one.
It will lie on negative y-axis.
Very good, Dhruvansh. Tell me, guys. Tell me, Naja.
The quadrant 3.
Correct. Tell me, Kanak.
Sorry.
Tell me this, Kanak.
Negative x-axis.
Perfect. Tell me, Mayank.
Yes, sir.
Where will this lie?
Sir, quadrant 4.
Perfect. Guys, it's so fun, right? It's easy, right? 5-second job. Gia, right?
Yes. Quadrant 4.
Correct. Tell me, guys, Vedant.
Sir, positive x-axis.
Perfect. Dhruvansh.
So positive y-axis.
Perfect. Now tell me, is everyone good here or not? Initially, I know it took some time, but see, this you have to be so good, okay? Because the moment is the point, you can start thinking plus minus plus. Cool. Any concept, any problem in the coordinates? How to plot the points if the points are directly given? No problem at all. Kanak, Vedant, all good. Now, we talked about abscissa, we talked about quadrants, we talked about coordinate, we talked about ordinate, we talked about how to plot the point, we talked about positive negatives. Then comes here is how to plot equation. This is higher stuff, but how to plot equation or how to plot straight line. Okay, both are same. Guys, very easy. But for that you need little bit of algebra which you already learned. I'm happy that you learned already. A little bit of calculation in mind. But the method is very simple. So write down. Suppose you have to plot y equal to x plus 3. This is the equation of line. Okay, guys? This is the equation of line. You will learn in higher grades. You have to plot y equal to x plus 3 on the coordinate plane. First of all, you draw axis. Okay. Next you make a table, your own table. And good thing is you can make any table. So what you're going to make table is like this. I'm putting here in the pink color. Put x, put y. Okay. The good thing is you can use any value you in your mind. Naja, there is no limit. Suppose, tell me, Vedant, if x is 0, if you put x equal to 0 in the previous equation, what will the value of y?
Sir, y equals 3.
Correct, everybody? So your first point becomes x is 0, y is 3. Tell me, Gia, if you put x equal to 1, what is the y value? Use the equation. You love to talk when you're new.
Sorry. It would be 3.
No, x is 1. You put
So
x equal to 1
2.
there. No. Instead of x, you put 1. What is 1 plus 3?
Oh, 1 plus 4.
Right, we are putting in the equation. So y becomes 4.
Yes.
Tell Dhruvansh, if you put x equal to negative 1, Dhruvansh, what will be the value of y using the equation?
2.
Because we put negative 1, Negative 1 plus 3 or 3 minus 1, you get y equal to 2. Let's put one more value, Kanak. If you put x equal to negative 3 in this equation, what is value of y?
0.
So guys, how many points we got? Now how to decide the points? This is your first point. This is your second point. It's all your choice. This is your third point. Your fourth point. Just draw it in the usual way. So we'll draw now using the blue.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Okay, so what I did was I equated x plus 3 is equal to 0. So I got x is equal to negative 3. So,
correct.
so y will be 0.
Correct. Whichever way, because you put y equal to 0 there. But I am putting x equal to, so you can put either value of x or value of y. You assume one value, guys, and you get the other value. That's the rule. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You are right, Dhruvansh. But this is the easier one. So we have to plot 0, comma 3. So 0, comma 3 will be somewhere here, right? 1, comma 4. If this is 1, 1, comma 4 will be somewhere here. Negative 1, comma 2. Somewhere here. Negative 3, comma 0. You got 4 points. You need only 2 points to make a line, guys. You need only 2 points. I draw 4. You combine all the points. You say, sir, this is my plotting of y equal to x plus 3. So what is the idea? You just get points. You substitute any value of x, you get the value of y, or you substitute value of y, you get the value of x. You need minimum 2 points. I put 4. You got a straight line. Is everyone cool here? I'll make one more equation, okay? And everybody will tell me some steps. Okay, Daja? How to plot? You understood, Daja? Is any problem? This is the equation of this line's plot. Unmute, Daja.
Sir, in the
Mushkil hai?
first one, no,
देखो
sir.
नजा नजा इक्वेशन क्या है y इक्वल टू x प्लस 3 करेक्ट नजा पहले x का वैल्यू क्या डाल रहे हैं हम लोग
Yeah.
x 0 है तो y कितना हो गया
3.
0 प्लस y 3 देखो 0 3 लिखा है मैंने ऊपर देखो पिंक में
So y is equal to 3.
करेक्ट so see
Yes.
here I wrote here or not x is 0 y is 3
Yes.
now tell me Naja if you put x equal to 1 how much y will get
4.
तो देखो what I wrote here x was 1 y was 4
Okay, sir.
now tell me Naja if I put x equal to say negative 3
So y will be 0.
that's it so you can always put your choice okay cool now
Yes. Yes, sir, I have a doubt.
yes
In the above one, what was it called? The quadrant one and all of it.
no line will come in everywhere
Okay, sir.
if you ask me line is with quadrant no line will not be quadrant line can go anywhere point is quadrant suppose say this point is where on the y-axis right
Yes, sir.
this point is this is the point right where is this point first quadrant this point second quadrant this point negative x you don't worry about that you have to plot the point on the paper that's it.
Thank you, sir.
Perfect. Let's try one more, everyone. I'll ask you guys, plot x equal to y minus 5. Now, first we'll make the table and then we plot, okay? So everybody will help me with one values, okay? X, I'll put a line so that no confusion because, should I put a box there so that you get, okay, let me put a box because you're thinking what is happening. So this box is there. I'll make more like how we do in our childhood, right? Playing games. This will look much better now. We have 5 students, we'll put 5 points. 6 students, 6 points. Okay, everybody will tell 1 point using the equation. So guys, I'm putting x here. I'm putting y here. We'll start with Mayank. Where is Mayank?
Yes, sir.
Mayank, take any value of x and tell me how much. Take any value of x you want.
Sir, 10.
X is 10. Then how much is be Y?
Sir, 15.
15. Tell me, Gia. And guys, take small value, other will get very big plot. Gia, take any value X or Y. Better to take Y value. It's really easy to calculate. Take any value Y or Gia.
For 5,
Y is 5. So X is?
-5.
No, you put Y equal to 5 here. Instead of Y, you write 5. 5 minus 5.
Oh, 0. Sorry.
I think Gia, looks like you're making it complex. The idea is you chose Y equal to 5, correct? Instead of Y, put 5. And see how
I
much
got-
X is getting. Cool?
Yes.
Perfect. Dhruvansh, take any value. Take small values, take any value and explain. Take what? Which value Y you're taking?
Okay, so we can take y as 6.
Y is 6. So X will be
Yes, 1.
1. Kanak, what value Y you want to take?
9,
Y is 9. How much will be X?
4,
4. Naja, which value Y you want to take? Your choice.
10.
And Y is 10. Sorry. If Y is 10, how much will be X?
5.
Very nice. Who has not done Mishita? Mishita, I'll ask you the difficult one. What value X you will take?
30.
Take small value, Mishita. Otherwise,
13.
13 is also too big. Take a small, little more smaller. Take single digits.
7.
7. If X is 7, how much will be Y?
12.
Very nice, Mishita. So, guys, all your algebra. See, I asked you because, very good, Mishita. Because I asked you because you should be comfortable taking values, right, Maja? You choose any value, doesn't matter. There is no rule. Equation should be. Now we are going to plot it. As simple as that. If I plot.
Sir, I don't think I've done it yet.
Vedanta is not done?
No, there's 7 of us.
Oh, I missed. Sorry, it's my mistake.
It's okay.
I'll give Vedant 2 choices because I missed it, my mistake. So Vedant, you'll take 2 values one by one. Tell me your first value. You want to take X or Y?
X.
Tell me how much X you want.
6.
X is 6. If X is 6, how much will be Y?
11.
Very good. No, this time you want to take Y?
Yeah.
Tell me any Y. Tell next time negative Y for others.
-3.
-3 is Y. Good. -3. How much will be X?
So -3. Would it be positive? Sorry, +2.
Negative.
Oh, negative. Sorry,
negative
-8.
5. Correct. Algebra basic.
Yeah.
So guys, we got a lot of points, right, Vedant? Everyone. So plotting this is easy or not? You all know how to plot this. So I'm just making it. I'll just take rough diagram. So quickly tell me first point. Gia, first point, this point. Quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4, or where?
Quadrant 1.
Quadrant 1. So let's say 10 is this much, 15 somewhere here. Okay. Just imagine. Tell me, Mishita, where is this point will come? 0, 5.
The 5 would be on the y-axis and
Y-axis. Perfect. Tell me, Naja, where is the third point will come? 1, 6.
Sir, in quadrant 1.
Very good. So 1, it's somewhere here.
कौन के
Tell
ऊपर?
me, Kanak, where the next point? 4, 9 will come.
Quadrant 1,
Quadrant 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 9. You already learned, guys, all of this. This I am not. Tell me, Vedant, where the next point come? 5, 10.
Sir, quadrant 1.
Quadrant 1. Somewhere, okay? I'm not put a scale to this. Tell me, Dhruvansh, where 7, 12 will come? Dhruvansh, 7, 12. Dhruvansh, like got stuck. Tell me, Dhruvansh, 7, 12.
The first one.
First quadrant, right? Tell me, Naja, where 6, 11 will come?
Sir, quadrant 1.
Quadrant 1, 6, 11. All this point. Finally, tell me, Mishita, where is negative 8, negative 3?
It would be in quadrant 3.
Quadrant. And guys, you will always get all the points in one straight line. That is the property. You will always get. That's it. You need only 2 points, guys, to make a line. You don't need too many. I'm just explaining you. Cool? Okay? So what I want everyone to do is, I don't want you to do too much. I want you to plot this with 2 points only. Plot, everybody try in your notebook. Y equal to 3 plus x using any 2 points and see how the lines will come. Line will come. You just use 2 points of your choice and plot this line and show me quickly. Coordinate geometry is so easy. Everyone must make Mishita, right? I saw when x is 0, it is y-intercept. When y is 0, is x-intercept. We'll talk about intercept in a moment, Mishita. Everybody show me on the screen how your line looks like. I really want to see how the line looks like. As soon as you are ready, show me. Whoever want to show me first. Naja is very ready. Naja says 3 plus x, so 2x equal to 1 maybe. So 4 and show me again. Yes, good. Have you taken the points, right, Naja? Very nice. And always you have to make a big line, Naja. So 2 points, hai na? For example, Naja, and this is for everyone. Suppose you're getting 1 point here, guys, somewhere. You're getting 1 point here. Don't draw only this. You should draw. Just you can draw like this. Naja, so it goes everywhere, see? So it shows full line. That's who else? Naja is done fast. Good. Kanak, little bit nearby, Kanak. And I want everyone to try it out now and then at the homework, because I'm going to give homework also like that. You need to plot on the graph paper, okay? Kanak. Okay, Kanak is very beautiful, Kanak. Superb. Kanak, good. Yes, Kanak, nice. Who else? 2 people are done.
Sir, I
Mayank, show me. Mishita, show me. Okay, let first Mishita show. Mishita. Okay, so 3, y is 3, so x is 0. Correct. Very good, Mishita. Superb. Show me, Mayank. Mayank, it will not go to the origin. No. Mayank, it's wrong. Why? When x is 0, is y 0, Mayank? Mayank, what values you took? Tell me. X is 12, तो y is 15. X is 20, y is 23. हाँ, तो वो फिर origin से कैसे आएगा? Mayank, your numbers are correct, but your plotting is wrong. वो 0, 0 पे थोड़ी आएगा. Plot again, your point is right, Mayank. Jia, why is taking so much time? Dhruvansh, where are you? Jia ने नहीं दिखाया अभी तक. हाँ, Jia. Okay, y is 3 plus 5. So, Jia, you took x equal to 3, right?
It's negative 3.
No, you y x equal to negative 5 you took. So y will be negative 2, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And take one more point.
Sir?
Yes, please, Dhruvansh.
This pencil broke. Can I grab another one?
Yes, please. Dhruvansh, you have to plot
what?
this y equal to 3 plus x on your notebook and show me.
Okay, just a minute.
Yes. Is everyone good?
Sir, please
Yeah.
explain this once more.
Alex,
I'm a little confused too.
yes, Jia, tell me your confusion. So, Jia, what value you are taking? Tell me x.
So my confusion is that the plot. So it's so y
Plot will
equals
do
3.
later. First, you tell me the values you took.
I took 5, 3.
X is
like
5 or
y,
what?
X is 5,
X is 5. So, y will be?
3.
No.
No, sorry. And then y is
No. If x is 5, how much is y?
8.
Correct. There is the first point. First point is
Yes.
5 comma 8, right?
Mhm.
Tell me what second value you took of x or y, whichever.
For y, X or
Take anything, your choice. It's always your choice, Jia. Easy to take for
4,
x because y we want it. Say
4.
again. X is 4.
Yes.
Y is
So 7.
y. Correct. Y is 7. Correct. So second
Mhm.
point is 4 comma 7.
Yes.
So you want to plot these two points. Is it difficult?
Okay, so what I thought that so I did 3 and 5, so I plotted that instead of doing this. So that's the confusion I was having.
So tell me what point you have taken in your notebook.
I did 5. So I did 3 and 5
Let me.
instead of doing this.
So you took the point correctly, but you plotted. No, you not plotted your point, right?
Yes, I didn't plot my point.
Can you
So
do it
that's
now?
the
No.
yes, that's
Thank you.
that's the confusion I had.
Got it. Dhruvansh, what point you have taken? 1, 4 and Dhruvansh, you have to plot a line, not the point. So Dhruvansh has taken, Dhruvansh, you have taken x is 1, so y is 4, correct? Your first point is 1 and 4. What is your second point, Dhruvansh? Mayank, I'll draw this, okay?
Okay, sir.
0, 3. If x is 0, but you don't have to plot like this, Dhruvansh. No, Dhruvansh. Dhruvansh, these are the points. Dhruvansh, unmute, please.
Yes, sir.
So Dhruvansh, these are the points you've taken, correct?
Yeah,
So point, you can say point P, point. You got 2 points now?
yeah.
You have to plot this 2 points, nothing else. Guys, this is for everyone. This is my graph. Dhruvansh, where will P come? 1, 4. 1, 4. Somewhere here.
Yes, sir.
And where will Q come? 0, 3. Somewhere here.
Yeah.
So you have to plot these 2 points and join the 2 points, guys. Dhruvansh, your diagram will look like this.
Yes, sir.
Mayank, understood? You take 2 points, plot the points and join the line. Okay, Mayank? Is everyone clear? Mayank, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Not clear. देखो मयंक करना क्या है? This is the equation, right?
Yes, sir.
Take any value of x. We'll take your value also, okay? Guys, we'll take Mayank's value. Mayank, what value you have taken? Tell me. We'll do
Sir,
x value.
12. Sir, x is equal to 12.
X equal to 12. So what is y?
Sir, 15.
Perfect. Then x equal to
20.
20. So what is y?
23.
Correct. So what are your points? Let's say your first point is 12, 15. Your second point is, see, all of you are taking value correctly. But guys, how you make the point? This is your first point, right, man?
Yes, sir.
This is your second point. Wait.
Yes.
So Gia, 1 second, please. So I'll just make Mayank's plot and then we'll see yours. So Mayank, how you plot it? Let's see. How you plot P? P is 12, 15, right?
Yes, sir.
12 is here. 15 will be somewhere here.
Yes, sir.
Point P. Then how much is Q? 20, 23. 20 will be more far, 23 somewhere here, right, Mayank?
Yes, sir.
This is point Q. You plot these 2 points and then you join both the points. How you join? You join these both the points straight line, like this. This is your line. The mistake you've done is you have put this to origin. It will not go to origin, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So plot 5847. Correct. So very good, Jia. Jia, only thing is you make your line very big. You've done very correctly. But see what you've done is, Jia, you plot like this, right? So Jia, क्या करो उसको? Make it like this. Cool, everyone.
Okay.
Anybody any question?
Sir,
Yes, please, ma'am.
सर मीन्स हम लोग P और Q को जो ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं
वो कितना भी बड़ा हो सकता है.
वो लाइन ओरिजिन के ऊपर से पार नहीं होना चाहिए.
हाँ, कैसे होगा? क्योंकि देखो तुम्हारे पॉइंट में 0 का है, 0 0 नहीं है ना.
ओके सर.
देखो मयंक, ये 2 पॉइंट दिख रहे हैं.
यस सर.
अगर तुमने करेक्टली ड्रॉ किए ग्राफ पे, so your line will always come like this. It will not come like this. It will come on. See, it depends on how accurately you plot, not this like.
सर अगर 1 0 होगा तो
हाँ, तब भी 0 पे, वो तो डिपेंड करता है तुम्हारा लाइन कैसा है. जब दोनों 0 होंगे तब ओरिजिन पे जाएगा.
ओके सर.
ठीक है.
नाउ आई अंडरस्टूड.
परफेक्ट. Yes, Dhruvansh.
Is this right?
Correct. It is correct. Dhruvansh. Very nice, Dhruvansh. So what is intercept? What are x-intercept? Understand, guys. What are x-intercept? What is y-intercept? Now I'll explain you the diagram, okay? So Naja and everyone, suppose this is my coordinate plane. Suppose this is my x-axis. This is my y-axis, correct? Now suppose I put a blue line. Understand very carefully. Suppose I put a blue line. This is my blue line. Now, if I say this blue line is cutting on x-axis somewhere or not? Suppose it's cutting at point 3, 0. So it is 3, 0, x is 3, y is 0, right, everybody? So x-intercept is that point on axis where it cuts the x-axis. So your x-intercept is 3. It's cutting at x equal to 3, right or not? So what is x-intercept, Naja? The point where it crosses the x-axis. What is y-intercept? Suppose this is y-intercept. Suppose this distance is set to 0, 2, right? So y is 0, 2, x is 0. Y-intercept is 2. Y-intercept is that point on y-axis where it cuts the y-axis. X-intercept is that point on x-axis where it cuts the x-axis. Why that is 0, 2? Because this point will be x is 0 here, right? That's it. For example, if I change it, I want everyone to tell me. If I make a blue line like this.
So
1 second, Dhuvansh. If this length is 4, this is -5. Can you tell me, everyone, what is x-intercept and what is y-intercept? Tell me on chat. Dhruva, ask you a question.
so what if the line passes through the x-axis and y-axis? What will it be?
I'll show it. Every line passes through x-axis or y-axis or origin. I think you are trying to tell me what is line parallel to x-axis, y-axis, right? Dhruvan, are you asking me the parallel line to x-axis, y-axis or passes through it?
No, it passes through x and y-axis.
It's the same thing. If the line is cutting x-axis, it's cutting x-axis. It's the intercept, right?
Yeah, but what if it's like the blue line here drawn?
See, this blue line is cutting x-axis, y-axis, both are not, Dhruvansh.
Yes, sir.
You can say this line is passing through x-axis and y-axis, both.
Yeah.
So where it's cutting x-axis, guys? At -5. So x-intercept is -5. Where is cutting y-axis? 4. It's 4.
Okay.
So Dhruvansh, if I make a green line like this, if I make a green line, Dhruvansh, like this, No, this line is not cutting y-axis. Will it cut y-axis? No.
No.
At this point is 6.
So
Now,
it
if I
will
ask
be
you x-intercept, what is x-intercept here?
6,
And y-intercept?
0.
Not 0. No,
Hmm.
not applicable. It's a parallel.
Okay.
0 is not good. 0 is not. Because this line
Okay,
is
sir.
parallel to y-axis. We'll talk about parallel lines just a moment, okay? It's a not applicable. Because it is not, does this line cutting a y-axis, guys? Green line, Naja? No. So no y-intercept. It is not cutting at all. Right, Jia? Right, Mishita?
Yes, sorry.
This line is not cutting the y-axis, no y-intercept. Similarly, if I draw a pink line, tell me, one second. Now, if I draw a pink line like this, and if I say this is cutting at 1, tell me for the pink line, what are the x and y intercept? Tell me, everybody.
Sir, y is 1
Okay,
and sir, x is nothing.
not applicable because x is not applicable because it is not cutting x is not applicable. Y intercept is 1. Cool. And Mayank, now we come to your question. Shall I erase everybody this? Ruvansh, we're going to do more. So now Mayank, if I make line something like that, this is my axis. Guys, if I make a black line like suppose say this, what is x intercept, y intercept?
0.
Sir, 0.
It is
Sir, x is also 0 and y is also 0.
correct. This is line passing through origin. Correct, Mayank? This is what origin passing.
Okay, sir.
It all depends on your line. You cannot make your own concept. It's guys, this is based on the line. Okay? Let me ask you one more question now. If I make a blue line, guys, like this, tell me, guys, okay, this is blue line. Blue line. And if this line, this point is at -7, tell me what is x-intercept and y-intercept, Mishita?
Sir,
You can write on chat, everyone else.
X-intercept is -7 and
Yes.
there is no y-intercept.
No y-intercept because this line is not intercepting or crossing or cutting or passing through y. Cool? Dhruvansh? Right. So the question comes now. Very interesting. A lot of people don't know how to plot x equal to 5. Can you plot this line? This is a very interesting question now. How to plot x equal to 5? How to plot x equal to 5? Very
So you
simple.
plot it on the positive x-axis.
X equal to 5, put a point here. Now there is nothing, it will not go to y. So make a line like this. This is x equal to 5 line because there is no y, correct? X will always be 5. This is my x equal to 5 line. Cool? If I tell Jia,
Yes.
I have to plot x equal to -3. How will I plot? How the line will look like Jia x equal to -3?
It would be a straight line on the quadrant 3 and 2.
Not quadrant. It is
A straight line with the negative.
correct, everybody? Because x equal to -3 means x is always -3, Naja. Doesn't matter what is y, always. Tell me, Mishita, if I want to plot a line Mishita, tell everyone. Mishita is not there? Oh, Mishita is there.
Yeah.
Y equal to -4. How this line will look like? Any idea?
So y equal to -4, the y-intercept will be on -4.
Only on Y,
And it won't pass through x, it will just be a
that
straight
is Y
line.
equal to -4. Good. And tell me, Naja, if I want to plot a line, guys, this is like I'm trying to make as many different types of lines so that you get full concepts. Naja, tell everyone how y equal to say 1 will look like. Let me make it a different orange color. How y equal to 1 will look like?
Sir, it will just be a line not touching the x-axis.
This will be line, right?
Yes, sir.
It will be only cutting y at y equal to 1. This is y equal to 1 line. Now tell me, guys, this line will always be parallel to axis, whether x-axis or y-axis. Cool? Intercept and line. Now I'm going to ask you final question, last 2 minutes more before we close. Kanak, all good? Understood this? Now tell me, everyone, this is my coordinate axis, okay? I'm making a line, black line. Tell Kanak, this black line is parallel to x-axis or y-axis?
X-axis.
This line is parallel to y-axis. See, this is y-axis, right? But Kanak, parallel line is like this, right? So it's parallel to y-axis. Everybody agree, Kanak? It's parallel to y-axis, right, Kanak?
So
It's cutting x-axis. It's not parallel to, it's cutting x-axis.
oh, okay. So when it's cutting x-axis, and when it's like
It's
parallel,
it's reverse.
it's
You're right.
the
Right,
side.
correct? It's a reverse thing.
side. Okay.
Tell me, Vedant, this pink line is parallel to x-axis or y-axis? This pink line is parallel to y-axis or x-axis, Vedant?
It's parallel to y-axis.
Correct, but on the negative
Because-
side, correct?
Yeah, because it's cutting through the x-axis.
Parallel to y-axis. And tell me, Gia, the blue line, this blue line is, sorry, Gia, this blue line is parallel to which axis?
X-axis.
Yes, because it's cutting only y-axis, so parallel
Right.
to x-axis. It's all in mind, guys. You have to visualize, okay, everything. Cool. And the last question for Naja, and we are done. Naja, if I make a red line, this red line is parallel to where?
Sir, it's parallel to x-axis.
That's it. So, guys, don't confuse with intercept and parallel. Okay, both are opposite things. These are the four. Cool, everyone. Intercepts, parallelism, coordinates, ordinate abscissa, how to plot a point, how to plot a line. You know, there is nothing else in the coordinate geometry. Everything is about that. Tell me any question before we close today. That's what it is. Easy or
Sir,
difficult?
coordinate.
Yes, Mayank. Mayank, ask me again.
Sir, coordinate.
किसके coordinate? Mayank, unmute.
Yes, sir.
What's your question?
Sir, what do you mean by coordinate?
Coordinate means the point. Suppose if I say point is 5,6, right?
Yes, sir.
These are the coordinates of point P.
Okay, sir.
Points P, where point lies. Matlab in our space where the point lies. Coordinate.
And
Location
sir,
of the point.
and sir-
Location of the point. It is the location of the point. Okay.
And sir, ordinate.
Ordinate means y, value of y. Y is the ordinate.
Sir, y.
Whatever you put on the y, whatever you put on the x is the abscissa. These are standard.
Okay, sir.
And abscissa and ordinate together is known as coordinate.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any question, anyone? Enough?
And sir, abscissa and coordinate अगर दोनों मिलते हैं तो उसका origin ना.
Origin तो अलग है. Origin तो 0 0 है ना. If I say point P 4,7, okay?
Yes, sir.
You will say coordinates. You will say ordinate is, abscissa is 4.
Abscissa is 4.
Ordinate is
7.
7. Coordinates are. That's it.
Okay, sir. I
That's
yes.
it. When coordinates are 0 0, it is origin.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
everyone. Good question, man. Got everybody? Just the name. X axis का नाम होता है abscissa. Y axis का नाम होता है ordinate. Guys, the most important thing is how to plot the points, because everywhere you will need that. That's it. Naja, good, simple, easy. Perfect. Then for today, tomorrow we will do last session of geometry. We'll do circles, okay? And then we'll start the 3D geometry, mensuration. Okay? Tomorrow we'll do last circles, basic circles, okay? Fine then, everyone. Thank you and bye-bye. See you tomorrow, same time.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.